Okay.
Okay, so this is our first time. Okay. So bring the shoulder down over here. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Let out. There you go.
Oh my God.
She's alive. Let out. Whoa.
Oh my God.
Huge.
It feels like so good though.
I'm ready.
I'm glad.
I'm ready to go.
Oh my goodness.
And just record over him, like, just so we can see everything. Okay, bring the shoulder down.
Alright, Keanu.
Hold on, I'm gonna turn off the music. Can you turn off the music real quick?
Yes, sorry.
There's like way too much stuff going on in here.
Wow. Looks like you need a bigger spot.
I know.
And clone yourself.
You know.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I'm here once a week. Hey, this guy. Definitely.
Bring the shoulder down over here. Deep breath.
Try to breathe through it so you can look down.
Whoa. Wow.
He thought he broke me out.
This guy really needed it.
Crazy. He's the man.
Take a deep breath. You know.
So basically,
Oh, snap! Okay.
Oh, snaps.
Okay. Okay.
That wasn't that bad.
Was it?
You tell me.
I think it was fine. It's good.
Okay. Take a deep breath. Get out. There you go.
That's crazy.
Wow, that was huge.
Yeah. I didn't know I needed that.
Yeah. This way. Okay. So we're gonna just right here. Take a deep breath. Get out. There you
Wow.
go. Holy macaroni. How did that feel?
That felt great. I even felt it over here.
Oh. Okay, deep breath right here. Get out.
Oh.
Wow.
That should be illegal.
Damn. Take a deep breath. Get out. There you go. Ah. Okay. Okay, take a deep breath. Get out. There you go.
Whoa. Holy shit. I am free. This is why I flew all the way from LA to see you this afternoon.
Damn. Deep breath right here. Get out.
Oh, shit.
Wow. Take that.
I was doing so good. I was going like every morning.
Okay, just tilt your head over here.
2 weeks ago, yeah.
okay, so
Okay, take a deep breath. Get out.
Oh.
Damn.
Crazy. That's crazy.
I'm like surprised. Deep breath. Get out. There you go. Okay, bring your shoulder down here. Take a deep breath. Whoa.
Nice.
Ta-da. How'd that feel?
Very good.
Take a deep breath. Get out.
next Saturday.
Oh, fuck.
Whoa.
That was crazy.
That was
Oh my God.
humongous.
Recycling.
Okay. Take a deep breath. Get out.
Oh. Oh my God.
Oh.
Did I just hear that right?
That was humongous.
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh my God.
There you go. Wow.
That was loud.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
My goodness.
Double trouble.
Yeah.
So take a deep breath. Let it out. There you go. Okay, so should I? You know? I'm very trustworthy, so.
I literally squeezed my butt.
There's a lot of emotions going on.
Oh my god.
So take a deep breath. Let it out.
Ooh, shit. Oh my god.
I almost died, bro. Oh man, damn. You had some deep cries. Out. Oh snap! Literally, I was kidding. I feel like I got taller or something, but my body's just like just long right now. I wish I was a little bit taller. Out.
Oh man.
Out. Wow.
There it is.
Deep breath. Let it out. There you go.
Ooh.
Damn.
That was crazy.
That was your whole skull right here. There you go.
Yeah, that was good.
How was that?
That was a lot.
I know. The boxer's adjustment. Ready for you? Deep breath. Yeah. It's a good skill to have. There you go.
Yeah.
She has a dog. She's a 101-year-old client. She's
There you go.
Oh, there you go.
in home.
And
Release my soul.
Yep. This guy's soul's been dormant.
Oh, man.
Ooh, damn. That was so stuck.
Oh, damn.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
There you go. Deep breath. Nope. There you go.
Oh, that one felt good.
Deep breath right here. There you go. And then relax.